Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Paychex Flex Payroll to your bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Paychex Flex Payroll to your bank, start by logging into your Paychex Flex account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Payroll section of the dashboard. Click on the Employees tab to access your employee information. Select the employee whose payroll you want to withdraw. Locate the payment preferences or direct deposit option within the employee's profile. Ensure that the bank account details are correctly entered for direct deposit. If not, edit the information to include the necessary bank account number and routing number. After verifying the information, go back to the Payroll section. Click on Process Payroll or Run Payroll to begin the payroll withdrawal process. Follow the prompts to enter the pay period and the hours worked by the employee. Review the payroll calculations carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, proceed to initiate the payroll. After processing, go to the Reports section to find the payroll summary. Locate and click on the option that allows you to view payroll funds and withdrawals. Take note of any pending transactions to ensure the withdrawal is processed. If you encounter any issues, contact Paychex support for assistance with your transaction. Wait for the funds to transfer to your specified bank account, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Check your bank account to confirm that the funds have been deposited successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.